Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best N4 is probably one of the most impressive dash cams I've tested this year, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to provide unparalleled safety and peace of mind on the road, from its crystal clear 4K front recording to its intelligent parking mode and advanced driver assistance systems that work seamlessly together to capture every detail and alert you to potential hazards, making it an indispensable tool for any driver looking to enhance their driving experience and protect themselves against the unexpected. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture every detail with stunning 4K Ultra HD recording. Experience unparalleled clarity and a noticeable difference in video quality compared to other dash cams. Our revolutionary super night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light. The advanced lens and aperture combination delivers exceptional performance, day or night. Connect instantly with built-in Wi-Fi 6. View, download, and share your recordings directly to your smartphone using the dedicated app, making it easier than ever. Integrated GPS accurately records your location and speed. Review your driving route on Google Maps and enjoy hassle-free over-the-air firmware updates. Equipped with a supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, parking mode, and G-sensor, it offers comprehensive protection. Enjoy features like loop recording and emergency video locks. This device is backed by a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. We're here to answer your questions and resolve any issues quickly. What we like. If you demand the absolute best in video clarity, this is your choice. Its 4K resolution captures every detail, making it perfect for those who need the highest quality evidence. The integrated Wi-Fi 6 ensures quick access and sharing of your footage. What people say. The Vantrue N4 is a great dash cam for the price, with excellent video quality and a wide field of view. The Vantrue N4 has a sleek design and is easy to install, making it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable dash cam. The Vantrue N4 has a lot of features, including GPS logging, parking mode, and a built-in microphone, making it a great value for the money. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. Experience your drives in breathtaking 4K UHD clarity with the front camera, complemented by a 1080p rear view. Its advanced sensors and wide-angle lenses ensure clear footage, day or night, even in challenging low-light conditions. Effortlessly manage your recordings with simple voice commands for enhanced safety and convenience. The intuitive touchscreen allows for quick actions like locking emergency videos or turning on Wi-Fi with just a tap. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via the dedicated app for fast 20 MB downloads and real-time sharing. Built-in GPS accurately tracks your location, speed, and route, providing valuable data for every journey. Never worry about running out of space with automatic loop recording that overwrites the oldest files. The included 128 GB card ensures ample storage for all your footage. A built-in G-sensor automatically protects critical footage during sudden impacts or events. Its parking modes provide continuous surveillance, recording any collisions or motion while your vehicle is parked. Setting it up is a breeze with the included suction cup and tools for discreet wiring. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. For drivers who value convenience and comprehensive coverage, this option stands out. Voice control offers a safer, hands-free experience, while the included 128 GB card means you're ready to record right out of the box. The dual camera setup provides complete peace of mind. What people say. 4K all around, and the player you get from the website even has a zoom feature. The rear camera was installed in less than an hour. Plenty of cable, routed along the top down the passenger side. Video quality is great, night times and day times. Screen is large and clear enough to view the status of the recording, but camera is not bulky, fits perfectly. Design is nice and compact, very easy to install. Number 3. COOAU 4K plus 1080p Dual Dash Cam. Experience stunning clarity with dual cameras recording in 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear. Its wide-angle lens and advanced night vision ensure you capture every detail, even in low light. Connect effortlessly to our dedicated app via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Stream live footage, download videos, and adjust settings easily from your smartphone, making managing your recording simpler than ever. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites old footage. The built-in G sensor also locks crucial video evidence in case of impact, safeguarding your peace of mind. Ensure your vehicle is always protected with 24-hour parking mode. It provides continuous surveillance, capturing any incidents like vandalism or break-ins, even when your car is parked and turned off. Its compact, hidden design mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror, ensuring an unobstructed view. Installation is straightforward, and it automatically starts recording when you power up your vehicle. Engineered with a heat-resistant chipset, it performs reliably in extreme temperatures from -20°C to 70°C. It also supports large storage capacities, ensuring you have ample space for all your recordings. Purchase with confidence thanks to our extended warranty and 24/7 customer support. We're here to ensure your journeys are always protected and worry-free. What we like. If you're looking for a seamless and user-friendly experience with dual camera coverage, this is an excellent pick. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast transfers, and the included 64 GB card gets you started quickly. It's ideal for those who want easy management of their recordings. What people say. The install is fairly straightforward, and there is a handy trim tool to use to tuck the wires away from sight. The camera quality is also quite good. It also withstands the Midwest weather conditions, hot sunny summers, freezing cold winters. Number 2. Vantrue S1 4K Dual GPS Dash Cam. Experience unparalleled clarity with our single front camera, recording in stunning 4K resolution. It captures every crucial detail, ensuring road signs and license plates are always legible, even in challenging lighting conditions. This dual dash cam system provides comprehensive protection, simultaneously recording the road ahead and behind in crisp Full HD. Its discreet design ensures it stays unnoticed while offering an optimal view for safe driving. With the integrated GPS module, you can effortlessly track your driving route, speed, and location on Google Maps. This data serves as valuable evidence in case of any unfortunate incidents. Our advanced parking mode offers continuous protection, automatically recording any motion detected around your vehicle. It ensures your car remains secure, day and night, by saving important events. Powered by a heat-resistant supercapacitor, this device is built to withstand extreme temperatures. This ensures reliable performance and a longer lifespan, without the risk of overheating. Enjoy hassle-free installation with features like G-sensor for collision detection and loop recording that automatically manages storage. It also supports time-lapse recording for creating video highlights. What we like. This dash cam is perfect for those who prioritize a discreet installation and high-performance front recording. The 4K at 60 FPS offers incredibly smooth footage, and the supercapacitor ensures reliability in extreme temperatures. If you want a clean, integrated look without compromising quality, this is the one. What people say. It's nice that after the screen turns off there is still a blinking red light to let you know it's recording. The video quality is amazing compared to my old one. With my old one, I could read a license plate at about 5 feet away. With this one, the license plate is clear at 10 feet. The night quality was surprisingly good. You do lose some detail, but I've seen much worse. Number 1. COOAU D30S 4K Dash Cam. Experience crystal clear 4K videos with an expansive 170 degrees view. This device captures crucial details like road signs and license plates, providing essential evidence for your safety and protection. It records both the road ahead and inside the cabin simultaneously in high resolution. This offers comprehensive protection, especially for ride-share drivers, and helps deter inappropriate passenger behavior. Even in low light or complete darkness, it delivers daytime-like clarity. Its advanced sensors and infrared LEDs ensure you can see clearly on nighttime roads and in tunnels. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to easily manage settings, view, and download recordings. Share your footage effortlessly without any subscription fees. With built-in GPS, your driving routes, locations, and speed are accurately recorded and synchronized with your videos. This all-in-one design enhances reliability and simplifies setup. It continues to monitor your vehicle even when parked, offering various modes like collision detection and motion detection. This provides crucial evidence in case of hit-and-runs or theft attempts. Tested in extreme temperatures, this device ensures stable operation in any weather condition. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust build and included 2-year warranty. What we like. For rideshare drivers or those who need to monitor the interior of their vehicle, this dash cam is the ultimate solution. The dual front and inside cameras with infrared night vision provide complete coverage, day or night. It's designed to offer protection and deter inappropriate passenger behavior. What people say. The D30S has a useful suction cup mount that does away with the 3M tape, so it's easy to move around to get the best angle. The screen and video quality is great too. The app is user-friendly and connects my phone to the dashcam to access videos and settings. Set up easily, pictures are sharp and clear, suction cup mount works really well and lets the camera be easily repositioned. If placed behind and just below rear view mirror, it's unobtrusive and doesn't obstruct view. App is intuitive and works well. I love having the simultaneous inside and outside filming, which is one of the reasons I got this particular model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.